Oh, Derek, or should I call you Mary Kathleen Collins?
How about that?
How about that?
It's so much fun to be here. I'm so happy.
Do I say welcome home, given the Irish ancestry?
Definitely, definitely. In fact, I'm trying to find out some more about my ancestry while I'm here.
Collins is
my surname, yep.
How long are you spending in Dublin?
A week. It's wonderful. We're having such a good time. And this event is great. The people running it, everything's been fun and relaxed.
You've done the Hollywood thing. You've been to award shows like this. How are we doing so far here?
Great. Warm, friendly, everyone's having a good time. Actually, Hollywood's not the friendliest place in the world you can imagine, so this is very cool.
Listen, tell me, this evening, are you going to be taking it easy? You've got a job to do?
I did. I was asked to present Best Actress Award, but because I'm the shy retiring type, I declined. So now I'm just sitting here and just watching it. I don't have to worry about all the anxiety and the nerves of presenting some kind of award.
You are kidding.
No,
I've been here
since
11 a.m. and you can't even present an award.
I know, it's awful. I know, it's terrible.
Now, another thing that I heard about you is that the film Platoon actually inspired your entire acting career. Is that another truth?
Well, yeah, it was one of the reasons. I was just kind of watching it and looked at the TV and kind of worked out what these guys were doing. It was acting, and much to my horror at the time, I was like, wow, do I really want to be an actor? You know, and things kind of eventuated from there.
I'm happy to be here. I love Ireland. I've been telling everybody I want to get out of these shoes and out of this dress and go sightseeing. I said I've got to have a day just to go around Ireland, and I did. Went to your favorite, the best ice cream, I guess, in the world. I had went to Marsh's bookstore, St. Patrick's, the museum. I got everything in it one day and had some of the best pizza I've ever had. Which, how weird is that?
Can I say, I'm thrilled to hear that you eat pizza. Look at this. Sorry, we get a shot of this.
Oh, we had some pizza and ice cream, yeah. My ass doesn't look like that, okay? I won't be turning around, okay?
Actually, speaking of your rather lovely figure, what are you wearing tonight?
This is Roberto Cavalli.
Oh,
yeah.
Heavenly.
Yeah, he's amazing. Yes, absolutely amazing.
And would he be the designer you turn to for red carpet events all the time? Do you have favorites like that?
Well, I love him. I love Italian designers. You know, certain dresses just fit you best, and so I love Roberto Cavalli. Beautiful.
Now you're here to support your good friend Mel.
Yes.
Are you excited about the award he's going to be receiving tonight?
You know, I tell you what, Mel is like the best person I know to work with. Treats everybody with the same respect. I've worked with him on 3 different films, and I would really go halfway around the world for him, which I did, and I would do it again. He's an amazing human being.
Colm, lovely to see you. Welcome home. You've seen a lot of familiar faces tonight?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, we had a little drink over in the Shelburne there. It was lovely to see John Kavanagh and Sean McGinley, people like that I haven't seen for a while. Yeah.
Now, some of your old pals from Kings are here tonight because there's a rake of you up for awards.
Yeah. No, well, I tell you, when we started out in that movie, we knew it was a big risk, to do the film as a feature Oscar, and hoping that it'll find an audience, and it did. It's and we're so pleased about that, and then to have record number of nominations. There's like 14 nominations tonight is so great.
Do you get nervous or excited when you come to things like this when you're up for nomination?
I know, you come to quiet drinks usually. Exactly that. I mean, I think the important thing about these things is that people have fun. It's a good night out, and that you celebrate the year's work. Because there's a lot of great work been done in the last year, and it's become like an event on the calendar every year now. I think for not just for people who live overseas, but for people who live here as well. It's become quite a night out.
Now I have to ask you, because I've been instructed to ask the ladies what they're wearing. What are you wearing? Let's get a male answer to that.
We started with the feet. The loafers are by Miu Miu.
Oh right, yeah, that's posh.
Miu Miu,
yeah,
that's posh. Yeah. The rest of the suit is Hugo Boss, and the shirt is Armani. The tie is Etro. Just bought it today. Brown Thomas. They like that. I was stuck for a tie, so I ran in there and grabbed an Etro tie.
And the hairstyle by?
The hairstyle by myself. These very fingers.
Have a great night tonight, Colm.
Thanks so much, guys.
Diarmuid, Pony Kids, which you were very passionate about, is up for an award. How do you feel?
It's very exciting. I don't think I've ever been nominated for anything in my life, so to have done a series like that was quite tough going, and then to end up on a red carpet because of it is quite amazing. So hopefully it'll do well.
Now, the experience was certainly transformative for the children involved. What about you? What did you get from it?
I got, I think, probably more than anybody from it. I went into a situation understanding that there was a certain class of kids around housing estates in Dublin, not knowing anything about them, and now I know 5 of them, and the privilege is mine. They're absolutely amazing, but I also saw how authority can treat people from places that generally get left behind, and it's not good. So, you know, I think we have a lot of work to do.
Cecilia, this time last year, you were talking about things in the pipeline and things that might be happening in the US, and now they're all over the place and fabulous.
They've happened. I'm so excited. I was only talking about the Samantha Who, the TV show, and then that was aired in, I think, October, and then it went straight to #1, it's like #1 comedy in the States on ABC. So that was really exciting, and then the movie came out, so it's been busy.
Join us after the break for more red carpet encounters and our chat with Mel Gibson. Don't miss it.